In this video, I'm going to show you how to write text in Lucidchart in a few simple ways. Whether you want to type inside a shape, create a separate text box, add labels to connect the lines, or format everything so your diagram looks clean and professional. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Lucidchart tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's look at how to add text inside a shape. This is one of the most common things you'll do in Lucidchart when building flowcharts, org charts, or any kind of process diagram. Start by dragging and dropping a shape from the left-hand menu onto your canvas. You can choose a rectangle, circle, diamond, or any shape that fits your diagram. Once the shape is on the page, double-click right in the center of it. A cursor will appear, and now you can type your text. Add your label, your step name, or whatever information you want inside the shape. When you're finished, just click anywhere outside the shape to deselect it. That will lock in your text and let you move on to the next part of your diagram. Next, let's create a standalone text box. This is really useful when you want to add notes, headings, annotations, or extra details that don't belong inside a shape. There are two fast ways to do this. You can press the T key on your keyboard, which instantly creates a new text box, or you can click the text icon on the left sidebar. Once the text box appears, drag and drop it to the exact spot where you want it on the canvas. Then, double-click inside the box and start typing your text. If the text box feels too small or too large, use the blue corner handles to resize it until it fits your content properly. This gives you a lot more control over the layout and makes your diagram easier to read. Now let's say you want to add a label to a connector line. This is perfect for decision flows where you need labels like yes, no, approved, or rejected. To do that, simply double-click directly on the line or connector. Lucidchart will create a text label attached to that line. Type your label, and then you can click and drag the text box along the line to reposition it. This is a great way to make relationships between steps much clearer, especially in process diagrams and branching charts. Once your text is on the page, you'll probably want to format it so it looks polished and easy to understand. Click on the text box or shape that contains the text to select it, then use the formatting toolbar at the top of the screen. From there, you can change the font style, adjust the font size, and pick a different text color using the A icon with the underline. You can also change the alignment to left, center, or right, depending on how you want the text to appear. If you want to make your text stand out even more, you can use keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+B for bold, Ctrl+I for italics, and Ctrl+U for underline. These shortcuts are really handy when you want to format text quickly without constantly clicking around the toolbar. A good tip is to keep your text short and readable, especially inside shapes. Too much text can make your diagram feel crowded, so try to use concise labels and clear wording. If you're adding notes outside of shapes, use text boxes strategically so they support the diagram instead of distracting from it. Consistent font size and alignment can also make a big difference in how professional your Lucidchart diagram looks. And that's it. Now you know how to write text in Lucidchart. Whether you're typing inside shapes, adding standalone text boxes, labeling connectors, or styling your text for a cleaner final result. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe for more Lucidchart tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.